Grade 2, Week 12, Phonetic Spelling from Moor. How's it, Keiki parents and teachers? My name is Kumu Kim, and welcome to the study plan. Grade 2, Week 12, Spelling Words from Moor. We have two categories, so let's break it down. In our two categories, we have short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. In the long vowel sounds, we have our silent E boppers that are going to jump over and make the vowel say its name. And then we also have the letter Y, where the Y is saying the sound I at the end of a word. So now let's take a look at our words. Our first word is going to be the word went. There's four sounds in it. W, E, N, T. Went. Try and spell it. W is our first sound. E, N, and T is our last sound. Went. Our next word is the word sent. So we have four sounds. S, E, N, T. Sent. Go ahead and try and spell that. All right, let's break apart sent. So our sounds for sent. S, E, N, and T. T. Sent. Our next word is the word candy. So candy is actually two syllables. The first syllable is going to be the syllable can, k, a, n. Our next syllable is going to be the sound d, e. So in the first one, there's three. In the second one, there's two sounds. And at the very end, it's the sound E, but it is not the letter E. What letter makes the sound E at the end of a word? Go ahead. It breaks apart as such as k, a, n, C-A-N, and then D, and E, remember, it's not E, but Y. Our next word, puppy, is very similar to candy, where there's two syllables, right? Pup, p, p, e. Again, with that E sound at the end of the word, go ahead and try and spell it. So our sound for puppy, p, u, p again, pup, and then p, and then E is a Y, puppy. Our next word, again, with two syllables, is the word didn't. So did, nt, is nt, and there is something in between there. Because this is a compound word, it's two words put together. Did not makes didn't. How do you spell that? Now let's spell the word didn't. D, I, and D again. And then we have n, right? But before we get there, there's that box there. So n, and then t. And what should be between the N and T? An apostrophe. Didn't. After that, we have the word take. So there's only three sounds, but at the very end, there's a silent sound. What is that going to be? So our sounds in the word take is t, a, k. Take. Take, t, t, a, letter A, and k. And the reason why A is able to say its name is because of the silent E at the end, which jumps over and makes the vowel say its name. Take. Next word is like. Again, with a silent sound and a long vowel sound. So, I, k. How is the I able to say its name? Like is going to be broken apart as I, k. Silent E makes the I say its name, like. Our next word is the word time. So we have t, I, m. Let's break apart time. T, I, and m. The silent E jumps over to make the I say its name, time. Our word by has two sounds. Again, it's a long vowel sound. However, the vowel that's saying its name is not that letter, so it's not an I. What letter might it be? You've heard it when it makes the E sound. What does it make for this one? Let's break by apart. I, by, and it's a Y, not an I. Again, with a two sound word, my, our sounds are I. So, how would you write my? Let's break my apart. I. It's not I, but it is a Y. My. To review our grade 2 words from Moor, we had 2 categories, right? Our first one was short vowel sounds. The second one was long vowel sounds. In the long vowel sounds, we had 2 different types of long vowels, one being the silent e-bopper, jumping over the letter to make the vowel say its name. The other one was our Y, which was a sound changer and made the I sound. So thank you so much for tuning in for this episode. We'll see you on the next one. Mahalos.